In this tutorial, we're going to be doing LeetCode number 9, Palindrome Number, part of the math series here on LeetCode. Now you can see this question's asking us, given an integer x, return true if x is a palindrome and false otherwise. All palindrome means is it's the same inverse or read from left to right the same. So for example, 121 is the same both read from left to right and from right to left. However, something like negative 21 would not be, as the negative then goes to the end. Same thing with 10, as it goes 1, 0, and backwards it would be 0, 1. Now, all we have to do for this question is simply we can do return strx. So we're going to convert it to a string, and we're going to test if it's equal to the string of itself, and we're just going to invert it backwards by doing bracket, 2 colons, and a -1. We could run this to test it, and you can see this did work for our first test case, our second test case, and our third test case. Now we could submit it. You can see our answer here beats 61% in terms of runtime, and 11% in terms of memory. Now that's you can do LeetCode number 9, Palindrome Number from the math series. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below, and I hope that helps.